is. Same car from the report.
Looks like it's been sitting here for years.
Keep your eyes open. Could be a trap.
Paint's almost gone. Vines all over the grill.
Emblem's still there, though. Let's check inside, but slow. Listen to the jungle.
Look at that. Under all this dust, the paint still catches the light.
Yeah, the grill's intact. A couple of dents, but nothing that scares me.
Can't believe it's been sitting out here. Feels like it should have rusted to the frame.
Mustang builds them tough. See that emblem? Still proud.
Give it a little breath, it'll roar again.
Feed it through the hook. That's it.
Carabiner's locked. Give me slack, okay? Tight.
Ratchet coming in. Hear that click?
Solid. Let's run the winch.
Cable's holding. She's about ready to move.
One more check, then we load her.
Everything's seating tight. Coolant clamp snug, and the throttle body torqued to spec. Readings look perfect. Good. Let's button it up and get her fired.
Airbox out. You set with the heat shield?
Yeah, it's free. Go ahead. Already on it. So far?
She's finally here.
Go ahead, fire it up.